In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-signature for free. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, we're going to start by heading over to the Small PDF website. Simply open up your favorite web browser and type in smallpdf.com. It's a versatile online platform that offers a range of PDF tools, perfect for handling digital documents like a pro. Now that you're on the Small PDF homepage, you'll need to either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Creating an account is free and straightforward. You can use your email address or sign in through your Google or Facebook account if that's more convenient for you. Once you're logged in, navigate to the File Upload section. Click on the Upload option, which will allow you to select the document you want to add your e-signature to. After you've uploaded your file, you'll notice that it appears on the Small PDF interface, confirming it's ready for editing. Next, direct your attention to the Tools section. Here you'll find various PDF editing options. Use the search bar to look for the Sign PDF tool. This is the feature that will enable you to digitally sign your document. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on the Sign PDF option to begin the process. After selecting the Sign PDF tool, choose the Sign Myself option. This simply means that you'll be the one adding the signature to the document rather than having someone else sign it. Then opt for Sign Without a Seal, which is a straightforward choice for standard e-signatures. At this point, you'll want to click on the Sign button located in the top toolbar. Following that, select New Signature. This is where the magic happens. You'll be given a few methods to create your e-signature. You can draw it by hand using your mouse or a stylus, type it using a stylish font, or upload an image if you have a scanned version of your physical signature. For this demonstration, let's stick with the type option. After you've typed out your e-signature, the final step in this creation process is to hit Create. Small PDF will generate your electronic signature, which you can now view right on your document. Drag and place it exactly where you want your signature to appear on the page. Once your e-signature is perfectly positioned, it's time to finalize your work. Simply click on the Download button to save the signed document to your device. And there you have it. A professional-looking e-signature at no cost. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tips on managing your digital documents. See you next time.